In this video, we'll be making some quick and easy sausage rolls that are a great snack over the school break. First, you'll need to cut some thawed pastry sheets in half. You can fit about 4 sausages per sheet. We chose to use pork and caramelized onion sausage, but you can use whichever sausage you'd like. Cut the end and squeeze the meat all over the puff pastry. Next, repeat this process until all 4 sausages are set out in this array. Beat 1 egg and brush it over the ends of the pastry. Roll the pastry around the meat tightly. Once rolled up, brush the pastry with the egg wash. Cut the sausage rolls to your preferred size. Then you can sprinkle them with sesame seeds if you'd like. Place them evenly throughout the air fryer. Then air fry them at 200 degrees Celsius for around 13 to 15 minutes. Once that's done, plate them and serve them hot with your desired condiment. We served them with tomato sauce. They were really easy to make and the end product was delicious.